The number one citizen of Anambra State is here. Mr. Solution is here. Odadibo is here. Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the arrival of Mr. Governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Governor is here. Mr. Soludo.
I've actually said welcome to a new vlog. I honestly don't know where this vlog started from. Yeah, so the last vlog you saw okay, yeah, let me explain it here. The last vlog you saw is over 1 month now, and it's been it. Before you'll be seeing this vlog, I'm definitely done writing my exam, hopefully. But yeah, right now I'm writing my exam. I hate announcing I want to start my exam on the internet. That's why I skipped that part. I didn't announce it, and now I'm writing my exam, and it's been it. Even when they say it's been it, it's really been it. My room is so messy. The past week has been so hectic. This is the second week in, because in my department we always write exam like 1 month, so we've done 1 week, and that 1 week is hell, bruh. It's hell. I don't know if people know I'm doing a professional course. I don't even want to talk about it because I really did not say anything about my school. I always see comments, people asking which school are you, which school are you. Can you just respect my opinion for now, that I don't want to put it out there? Definitely I'm going to do that soon, but for now I just want to keep it to myself. And a lot of content most times I want to create, maybe how to get into a professional course, how to get this and that, you know. Well, I can't do them because I didn't even say anything about my school. Do you get? So yeah, I'm writing my exams and it's stressing me out. I would not even lie. This is the weekend, but I'm still reading because I have every day. I'm writing every day, even Saturdays. I write exam even Saturdays. Yeah, but maybe later in the evening I'm going to go for a walk. If you've seen this shirt like over and over and over, just know that my clothes are dirty. I'm even saying that on camera. My clothes are dirty. So yeah, what I'm doing, I'm just wearing the ones I normally wash, like the easy ones that I can wash and just wear. But those ones that have to go to dry cleaner, I cannot wash them and I cannot even wear them. So yeah, I don't even know if people are seeing my face with this whole bonnet thing. There was a reason why I came on camera. I can't even remember the exact reason why I came on here, but maybe I just said it already. I don't even know the reason again, but let's assume that I came on here to what's the right word, rant how stressful school has been to me. Let's just assume that that's what I came on here to do. So I'm just going to continue reading my books. My room is a mess. I'm sure you don't want to see how my room is looking like. I'm just very sure you don't want to see it, but nevertheless, yeah. You know that time you're a content creator and you're a student, and yeah, yes, exactly. Now I remember why I came here. I want to come and celebrate with you guys that this is actually the first time since I have been a student that I did not disappear from YouTube while writing my exam. I don't know if it makes sense, but it makes so much sense to me. Okay, now I don't used to back film, in the sense like I have a lot of things to post even before the exam. Okay, it's not back film, it's bulk film. So I don't bulk film, so most times I just film, upload, film and up. Do you get? So now most times when I am facing my exam, 2 weeks to my exam or even 3 weeks to my exam, I shut down everything and just disappear from the internet. But this is the first time since my 4 years. I've been in university for 4 years. Since my 4 years in university, this is the first time I actually carried you guys through. Like, I didn't stop. I was posting. Are you not proud of me? I can't believe it. Well, yeah, that was the main reason why I came on here, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm so proud of myself, guys. Like, and also, this is the exam I'm writing that, like, I can beat my chest and say that I read. I don't know if it's making sense. Like, I was able to balance it. Everything is here. It's here. It's in your brain. If you believe you can, you can. Stop limiting yourself. I don't know how to say this, but like, you don't understand it. It's too busy work. Like, being a content creation is stressful. Filming for YouTube, filming for Instagram. If you're following me on this Instagram, you know that I have been posting as well. Like, a lot of my followers don't even know I'm writing exam. Me? Is that me? But it's fine, it's fine. Thank you so much for all your support. My vlogs are doing so well. Sometimes I'm tempted to stop talking, like in the, I don't know what to call those videos, in the personal videos or personal wellness videos. I'm tempted to stop them, but I won't stop them because that's what I love. I want to help as many people I can help. So that's why I don't think I'm going to stop it. I'm just still going to be doing it, even though it's not doing as well as it's not doing well like my vlog, you get. But it's fine. Yeah, I'm going to be signing out to go continue reading because your girl. It's fine. Bye.